Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of nutritious and delicious foods. Today, I'm diving into the colorful world of bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. These vibrant veggies aren't just pretty to look at. They're packed with nutrients and flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, bell peppers can add a delightful crunch and a burst of color to any dish. Let's explore why you should definitely add them to your diet. From their health benefits to their versatility in the kitchen, bell peppers are a must-have in your culinary arsenal. First up, the health benefits. You might be surprised at just how nutritious these colorful veggies are. Bell peppers are low in calories but high in essential vitamins. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet without compromising on flavor. They're an excellent source of vitamins A and C. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining good health and preventing various diseases. Just 1 cup of chopped bell peppers provides over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's a significant boost to your immune system with just a small serving. That's more than an orange. Yes, you heard that right. Bell peppers can give you more vitamin C than the citrus fruits we often rely on. Vitamin C is crucial for immune function, skin health, and iron absorption. It helps your body fight off infections and keeps your skin looking youthful and radiant. Vitamin A, on the other hand, is great for your vision and immune system. It plays a vital role in maintaining healthy eyesight and protecting your body from illnesses. But that's not all. Bell peppers also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage. These compounds fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering your risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating bell peppers into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. Plus, the fiber in bell peppers aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or improve their digestive health. Now let's talk varieties. Bell peppers come in a range of colors: green, red, yellow, and orange. Each color has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Green bell peppers are harvested earlier, so they have a slightly bitter taste. They're often used in cooking for their crisp texture and mild flavor. As they ripen, they turn yellow, orange, and then red, becoming sweeter in the process. The longer they stay on the vine, the more their flavor develops. Red bell peppers have the highest nutritional value because they've been on the vine the longest. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them the most nutrient-dense of the bunch. You might be wondering, how can I incorporate bell peppers into my meals? The good news is, they're incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They're incredibly versatile and can be eaten raw, roasted, grilled, or sautéed. You can add them to almost any dish to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. Slice them up for a crunchy snack, add them to salads for a burst of color, or stuff them with your favorite filling for a delicious main dish. The possibilities are endless. You can even blend them into sauces or soups for an extra layer of flavor. And here's a fun fact. Bell peppers are technically fruits. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being used as vegetables in cooking, they are botanically classified as fruits. They belong to the nightshade family, along with tomatoes and eggplants. This family of plants is known for its diverse and nutritious members. Despite their sweet taste, they're not related to the spicy chili peppers. So, if you're not a fan of heat, you can still enjoy the sweet and mild flavor of bell peppers. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a few bell peppers and get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different recipes and discover new ways to enjoy this versatile veggie. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy cooking.